front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this tablet. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and tap on About Tablet section at the top. Then select Storage under Device Name and tap on Free App. Now wait a bit and select Clean Up at the bottom. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!